SolveYourTech.com, your source for how-to guides and tutorials.
This video from SolveYourTech.com is going to show you how to update apps on iPhone automatically. We're going to show you where to find the option that will let your device install app updates as they become available, so that you don't have to do it yourself. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more tech guides like this one. The apps that you install on your iPhone will occasionally need updates. You can manually install these updates by opening the App Store, touching your profile icon, then scrolling down and tapping Update next to an app that you wish to update, or by tapping Update All to update everything on the device. But if you would prefer to let your iPhone handle this on its own, then you can adjust the settings to let that occur. So let's jump into our video and learn how to update apps on iPhone automatically. If you want to let your iPhone install app updates automatically, then you just need to change an option on the settings menu. So start by tapping the settings icon. Scroll down and select the App Store option. Tap the button to the right of App Updates to enable this. To summarize, if you want to let your iPhone install app updates automatically, then you need to open the Settings app, scroll down and choose the App Store option, then tap the button to the right of App Updates to turn it on. Note that this will update everything automatically, so if there are some apps that you would like to update manually, then you're going to have to keep this option turned off and continue to manually update apps through the App Store. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more tech guides like this one. For additional information on this topic and to read the entire article, click the link in the description to visit SolveYourTech.com.